Hi. Today we will see how to save a file in the Downloads folder of an Android device from our Kotlin Android app. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which has the UI of the main activity. Let's see the UI first. Here, we have a button at the center of the screen. The title of the button is Save File. Let's see the main activity now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, this is the onClick listener of the button. When the button is clicked, we call the Create File in Download Folder function. Here, we pass the file name and the content that should be written inside the file. This is the Create File in Download Folder function. The type of the file is a text file. We will store the file in the download directory. You may store the file in the documents directory as well. So, this is how we write the content inside the file. And then, store that file in the Downloads folder of the Android device. When the file is created, we show a toast to the user. Otherwise, we show a toast that something has gone wrong. Let's run the app. See, we have the Save File button. When I click the button, I get the File Created toast. If I go into the Downloads folder of my Android device, I can see the file. If I open the file, I can see the text we wrote in it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how we can create a file inside the Downloads folder using a Kotlin Android app. Thanks for watching.